Hello yogis, are you ready to do yoga with Spider-Man? Let's go for superhero yoga. What a heroic stance. Sometimes our strongest moment is when we calm down and listen to the power within. Take a deep breath because you're gathering your energy for new adventures. And now it's time to defy gravity. Stretch your legs straight up towards the sky. You're like a spider walking on the ceiling. This movement will allow you to recharge your superpowers. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and feel your body fill with energy. You're ready for the next mission. Shine like a star, spread your legs wide, clasp your hands together, and reach up like a rocket. Feel your power, your awesome superhero. Stand strong like a frog. Press your hands together, gather your energy. You are ready for anything superhero. Here's a true hero. Stand tall and unwavering like a mountain. Puff out your chest, take a deep breath. You are strong, courageous, and you've accomplished great things today. Be proud of yourself. Stand firmly on all fours. You're ready to start climbing. Calm your mind and float. Focus is your superpower. Stand tall like a candle and shine. You are defying gravity. Root down like a tree and stand balanced. You are unbreakable. Stretch like a bow and focus on the target. Now you are ready to launch. Bend like a bridge and see the world upside down. You're so strong. Stretch like a bow and look up. You are flying in the sky. Reach to the side and shoot your web. You are ready to hit the target. Rise like a cobra and greet the sky. Your back is strong like steel. Grab your foot and reach forward. You are flying with super speed. Prepare to launch like a rocket. Balance is your superpower. Close your eyes and listen to the power inside. Real heroes know peace. Join your hands and reach for the sky. You are taller than the tallest building. Reach for the sky with one arm and lean. You are flexible like the wind. Catch your foot and stay balanced. Flexibility is your superpower. See you in the next Superhero Yoga. Don't forget to subscribe, yogis.